Welcome to Dell Tech Support. No matter what level gamer you are, you want to have your PC operating at its best. Here are 7 things that will help you maximize your gaming performance. We recommend doing these steps in the following order. Update your drivers. Go to dell.com/support and enter your service tag. Select Drivers and Downloads, then click on Detect Drivers to find out which drivers have updates. Clicking on the Download and Install button will install all of them, but clicking on Show Drivers will bring up an itemized list. Download and install any video and chipset drivers that are available. Adjust your Windows settings. To get a bit of a speed boost, disable Windows visual effects. In the search bar, type Performance and select Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. In the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for Best Performance to disable all the choices. These visual effects are mostly decorative, but if you really want to keep a few enabled, select Custom and tick the ones you want. When you're done, click Apply, then OK. Before starting your game, be sure to close out of everything else too, including web browsers. Additionally, Windows 10 users can activate Windows Game Mode. Watch our video to learn how to activate it. The link is available in the description. Adjust your in-game settings. Almost every game comes with its own menu of graphics features. Adjusting these settings will deliver a significant frame rate boost. However, some of the detail quality will be sacrificed. Using the official apps from your graphics processing unit manufacturer, your computer will be scanned for any installed games and create an optimal settings profile for each game based on your computer's gaming potential. For computers equipped with NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience, and for AMD-equipped computers, use AMD Radeon Software Crimson. Upgrade your components. When upgrading, you must always consider compatibility. To find the proper documentation for your system, go to dell.com/support, enter your service tag, and click on Manuals and Documents. Open the owner's manual and look for the technical specifications. Here is where you can check which type of memory, processor, and video card is compatible, as well as the limitations for memory and the hard drive, and much more. You can also read up on removing and installing components. Before you upgrade, it is important to know that there are certain warranty limitations. Any new components purchased from Dell are covered by Dell. However, anything purchased from a third party will be under the manufacturer's coverage. There are also certain guidelines regarding installation. Read the video description for more details. Whenever you need to open up and get inside your computer, it is highly recommended to follow precautions for preventing electrostatic discharge. Watch our video about how to avoid ESD damage. The link is in the description. Upgrading your graphics processing unit. Modern games demand a lot from your GPU, so making this type of upgrade usually gives you the biggest boost in gaming performance. With that being said, upgrading your GPU is also the most expensive option, and this is only an option for desktop computers. Laptop owners cannot upgrade their GPUs, but certain Alienware models may be able to utilize the Alienware graphics amplifier. Upgrading your hard drive. If you're tired of staring at screens being loaded, then it's time to consider changing to a solid-state drive. SSDs are several times faster than traditional hard drives, so you'll rarely wait more than a few seconds for your game to load. As an added bonus, anything else installed on the SSD will also get a significant speed boost, including your Windows operating system. Upgrading your RAM storage. It's common for games to have recommended and minimum specifications regarding random access memory. Meeting the minimum specifications will get you into the game, but having the recommended amount of RAM will deliver a smoother gameplay experience. In order to meet the recommended specifications, you may need to add more RAM to your computer. A RAM upgrade will also allow your computer to run more programs simultaneously, so either way, this is a solid investment. Remember, whenever you need help or have questions, you can always reach out to us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in a chat with other Dell gamers on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!